Let's do some go-karting now. Even I haven't gone to this place. The last time I went to Suma Adventure and Resort. So I was just looking up Republic of Karting on the phone and see this. This track looks pretty good already. Already looks a bit better than Suma. But let's see, let's head there. It's 4 kilometers away from where we are now. Raghu, excited?
Yeah, pretty excited, but it's pretty sunny, so let's see.
It is pretty sunny, yeah, but I think it will be fine at the go-karting place. This is Republic of Karting, guys. 65 kmph, man, crazy. Whoa. अपना हैदराबाद वाला फास्ट था पर काफ़ी, इससे बहुत फास्ट था। 65 तो नहीं लग रहा है। अच्छा हाँ, जाता है ये रोड, जाता है, जाने आता है तो आता है फिर। अच्छा ओके, 10 laps is 500, 20 laps is 900। 10 करना है क्या? 10 पहले 10 करते हैं।
हाँ चाहिए तो
फिर वापस कर लेंगे। चलो पर सही है, 2 लोगों का करना है वो कार्टिंग।
500 के 10 लैप।
हाँ पहले सोच रहे 10 लाख कर लेंगे। हाँ
तो वो वाला कीवर है 1 नंबर पे। अच्छा, स्कैन करना है, फॉर्म फिलअप करना है आपको।
अच्छा ओके, ऑनलाइन है क्या?
फॉर्म फिलअप ऑनलाइन करना है, फिर पेमेंट आप कैसे?
अच्छा ओके, पेट आएगा अभी लाने पे। स्कूल गाइस रजिस्ट्रेशन ऑनलाइन होता है, फॉल वेवर फॉर्म एंड एवरीथिंग। आई थिंक इट्स ऑनलाइन। पेमेंट कैसे भी कर सकते हो आप, बट यू रजिस्टर ऑनलाइन डायरेक्टली। Pretty cool. Everything is very systematic. I like it. If you are a student here and if you would like a discount, there's 50% off for you. Only from Monday to Friday. Chest mount is strapped in. The gokarting is also ready. Okay guys, all set. ओ भाई इधर सही था। गाड़ी में मस्त थी भाई, बहुत बार ड्रिफ्ट हुई मेरी गाड़ी।
ड्रिफ्ट तो बहुत बार हुई।
ब्रेक टर्न पे ब्रेक लॉकअप हो रहा था गाड़ी, प्रॉपर F1 स्टाइल। सही था भाई। ये खोलते कैसे? I'm not able to open my helmet. Let him do it. For dinner today we have chicken biryani. Stop it. That was amazing, guys. The kart was pretty good. Mine was a little damaged on the right front, so वो ऐसा ऊपर नीचे हो रहा था front wing. But other than that, pretty good. Raghu, how was your experience?
I don't think there'll be a perfect kart anywhere in this world.
Yeah. Yeah, but it was pretty good.
And there's not much space to overtake as well. So
There was some space, but
yeah, very minor.
Raghu didn't leave me enough space on that one corner. He came right into me. But this happens. This was a racing incident. Guys, part 2 of car vlogging after a go-karting race. Part 3 actually. First time with Pranav also. I was in the car recording my experience. After the second time we were in Raghu's car recording our experience. My phone is still in my pocket luckily. Hello, Sang. I got a call from my sister asking how to do the 3-finger copy paste from her iPhone to her iPad. I showed to her as magic, which she's showing now as magic to someone else. Both those cars, since they are equal powered almost,
Yeah.
It's very difficult to overtake in 10 laps. 10 laps is a little less. 12 laps is little less. It's the same thing I said even after Suma. But Suma laps were actually very small. This was pretty decent. It was not bad. It was not as big as the Hyderabad one, which was really cool. It was the biggest go-karting lap I've ever seen, and the car that I got was also really nice. Here we had equal powered cars, so that was not an issue today. But yes, Raghu, what do you have to say?
Yeah, it was pretty good. It was pretty fun. The only thing is, I felt the laps were pretty close to each other, so it's really tough to, overtake. Yeah, it had enough space though. Like really,
they were wide enough for an overtake.
Yeah,
but you had to be close enough at one of the straight lines. So that was the challenge, to get close on the other part of the track, because that's a slower track on the other side.
And it's easy for the one who's leading to stop the one who's behind. Like,
yes, defending is very easy.
Defending is very easy. Like
But it was pretty fun.
It was pretty fun though. Yeah,
it was nice, because the thing that I enjoyed the most, and probably Raghu enjoyed as well, was defending me while I was trying to overtake him and me trying to overtake him. That was one of the best moments of go-karting today. I am not sure how much justice the GoPro did on my chest, because maybe the steering wheel was right in front and I don't know if you could see Raghu, but it was just the two of us on the track. So if you see someone else other than me, then it was Raghu. It was good. It was very good weather. Now it's getting cloudy a little bit. We were here at the exact right time. We're done with go-karting now. Where are we heading now? What was the plan for today?
Not much. We're planning to eat.
McDonald's. Yes.
Yeah, mango.
So there's a new McDonald's that's opened in Nashik, right on our way to go back home now. I went there last week with some of my friends. They have a mango softy there at that McDonald's. So I think Raghu has never had it before, right?
Yeah, no.
By the way, the caretaker of the GoPro, of the go-kart, just subscribe to our channel. One more subscriber. Such a coincidence that right now FP3 at the Italian GP, the Monza GP, is currently ongoing and we are doing go-karting here. Okay, so I'm going to take Raghu to Sula for a bit and then we'll go to McDonald's for the mango softy. Hello guys, GoPro is charged a little bit. Let's go get that mango softy. This is the McDonald's I'm talking about. It's near Gangapur Road. Yes, Raghu, are you excited about the mango softy?
I hope so. I hope it's good.
Hello. Yes, let's go.
Chicken surprise burger at flat 65.
Chicken surprise burger. खाना है तेरे को?
नहीं भाई.
Try कर सकते हैं. अबे सिर्फ उस दिन के लिए था क्या वो? अच्छा नहीं, वहाँ पे एक है वो सॉफ्टी. हाँ वो एक ना.
Probably इसमें नहीं है. ये इन
आता है वे. उस दिन उन्होंने ऑर्डर करा था.
सब जगह नहीं रहता ना.
उस दिन करा उन्होंने ऑर्डर. हाँ तो पूछ लो. मैंगो सॉफ्टी यहाँ से नहीं ऑर्डर करा ऑर्डर. मैंगो सर बंद हो गया. अच्छा बंद है. अबे यार.
ठीक है, कुछ और ले लेंगे. Don't get disappointed.
मेरे को कोई दिक्कत नहीं. देखो खाना था वैसे भी.
It's okay भाई. No issues.
Yeah, life lessons from Raghu.
Wish I didn't have to give into the pressure.
That's how easy the payment system is in India. It's called UPI. So because the mango softy is no longer available, I think it was just a promotional offer they had for some time. We had to go for cold coffee instead, which we used to have in Manipal as well, I think, right? More often we used to have cappuccino than cold coffee. So I just ordered a phone, Android phone, for me to take to Germany. I ordered it on Amazon this morning and it's already home. That's a very, very impressive job from Amazon, right?
Yeah.
Pretty impressive. Same day delivery, yeah. This is the first time it's happened with me, at least. So I am pretty impressed. Let's open it. Let's see if we have a brick or a phone.
Guys, so this is the new Redmi 13 5G. So we are going to unbox this now.
Yes, let's do it.
I'm the new Technical Guruji. I have the beard as well, so you might as well think I'm the original one. I think I might need a scissors or something like that.
Why? Are you not Technical Guruji?
He uses a knife, dude.
Where's your knife?
You don't want to look at that now.
You can cut it with that. Then you take this phone with you when you go back. So this guy, when I received the parcel from the Amazon delivery guy, I thought the phone was really heavy, and it is actually pretty heavy. And I told this guy, I said, okay, why is it so heavy? iPhone boxes are not so heavy. This guy says, yeah, because those boxes don't have chargers or anything in them.
So I just said there is adapter in this. That's what I said. So you don't ruin it. You're trying to ruin the joke today.
You ruined it now by not laughing.
Okay, let's do a duo.
Life doesn't give you no do-overs, bro.
But I need a knife at least. Knife के बिना नहीं होने वाला है.
हो जाता है bro. iPhone के boxes तो होते हैं भाई.
क्योंकि उनका पैकेजिंग सेफ नहीं रहता ना. ऐसे कोई भी खोल लेगा.
ऐसा कुछ
इनका इतना अच्छा पैकेजिंग है.
ये कट कर देंगे, ये कट कर देंगे. वो नहीं रहेगा बे. ये सब ऐसे ही 20 साल बाद देखेंगे, बस मजा आएगा. YouTube वीडियो में भी डालेंगे, मजा आएगा. 20 साल बाद YouTube वीडियो ही देखेंगे. नहीं मजाक कर रहा हूँ. ये भाई बहुत स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं. बस जोक वो बताना था आपको लोगों को. हंसना है तो हंसो, नहीं तो हंसो. ओके गाइस, दैट्स इट फॉर दिस वीडियो. आई विल सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वन. चीयर्स.
चल ब्रो. बाय बाय बाय. वापस. अच्छा बाय.
यस.
मिलते हैं वापस. थैंक यू सो मच.
नो प्रॉब्लम. यस नो प्रॉब्लम. मिलते जल्दी. कौन सा है तेरा? A1 के बाद V4 है ना तुरंत? हाँ सही है. नाइस. आ गया भाई.